Hi there, in this video we're going to learn about the percent equation. So here is the setup for the percent equation. Part equals percent times whole. There are three different ways that we could use it if you're trying to find the percent, if you're trying to find the part, and if you're trying to find the whole. If you're trying to find the percent, this is the equation you would use. So 3 is what percent of 6? 3 equals n times 6. If you're trying to find the part, this is the equation you would use. What number is 50% of 6? P equals 0.5 times 6. Notice that the percent is written as a decimal. So if you recall, in order to go from a percent to decimal, move the decimal place over 2 spaces to the left. Now to find the whole, 3 is 50% of what number? 3 equals 0.5 times the whole. Okay? So you can use a percent equation to solve problems that involve the percent. So here is an example of that. 3 is 50% of 6. So set it up. Part equals percent times whole. Your part is 3. Your percent is 50. So move the decimal point over 2 spaces to the left. It'll be 0.5 times 6. Note that the percent is written as a decimal, okay? Once you do this, that's how you just set up the problem here. What number is 12% of 150? So do you need to find the percent, part, or whole? That's what you need to ask yourself. We know the percent and we know the whole. So we're trying to find the part, right? Because what number is 12% of 150? So our equation will look like this. P equals 0.12 times 150. Then you just multiply. 0.12 times 150 gets you 18. So 18 is 12% of 150. Here's our next example. We have 21 is what percent of 40? Do you need to find the percent, part, or the whole? It's the first step. Well, we know 21, right, is a part. What percent? We don't know the percent of 40. So 40 would be the whole. So just plug in your numbers. 21 equals what percent times your whole. Okay, and now you would just solve for n. So here, you would have 40n, 21 equals 40n. Divide both sides by 40. Thank you. And you get your n to be 0.525. So 21 is 52.5% of 40. Okay, in your last example, we have 13 is 26% of what number? Do you need to find the percent, part, or whole? Well, we have 13 here. This is our part. 26%, that is obviously our percent, and then what number is our whole? So start off by writing the equation. 13 equals 0.26 times whole times W. 13 equals 0.26W. Divide both sides by 0.26. Solve for W, and you end up getting 13 to be 26% of 50. All right, so your concluding thoughts. These are the three different ways to use the percent equation. You can literally solve any problem that asks you to find the percent, the part, or whole using it. Thank you for watching.